Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the opportunity to present my research and this SMS on the 10th Profunedu. It's an honor to be here today. My name is Arif Aththibby. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Metro. Today I will presenting my team research titled Development of Android-based Hasini Adventure application as a basic learning media. This research focus to develop a basic learning media based on role play game on Android system. As an introduction, teaching process for the abstract topic in physics such as uniform linear motion, uniform acceleration motion, and free fall did not engage students in the learning process or use any learning media in the delivery of material. This results in students feeling bored and their learning outcome being low. Hidayati and Stiaji state that most students experience difficulties in learning physics, especially in kinematic. This can lead to misconception about kinematic material. Adani and Lasmono also mentioned that student science literacy on linear motion topics is categorized as low, and the application of digital learning media is an innovation in education that can enhance students' understanding and enthusiasm for learning. We use Hasini as name from character on our animation from Abu Al-Fat Abdurrahman Al-Hasini. Al-Hasini was 12th century Muslim scholar who introduced several important scientific theory such as the experimental scientific method in mechanics, gravitational potential energy, different force, mass and weight, and distant gravity. As a method, we use development model. The research follow as a development procedure that refers to the step of research and development R&D adapt from AD and AD development steps are analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The AD development model by branch can be seen in figure 1. As a result, we use analyze from media expert and content expert to validation our product. From media expert, we use some category, their product efficiency, media compatibility, media usability, visual, image animation, buttons, communicative, and language rules. And for the content expert, we use content suitability with learning outcomes, content accuracy, presentation technique, and coherence. The results from media expert validation data, we know the average score is 90% and it's mean very valid to use our media Hasini as a learning physics media as well as media expert validation. Content expert validation data shows that the average score is 94%, and it means uh, very valid too, same as the media expert validation data. After we know the media expert and content expert is agree with our media, we use it to student as a user, and this is the screen and figure of Hasini application. This is initial screen, and this is home screen, and it's Hasini. We name it Hasini, the character or the figure animation on our application. And this is a map. Every map have a challenge that the Hasini must be finished, and the user must be finish the quizzes, and the challenge is quiz from Hasini, and this is adventure screen from Hasini. He walk and he run from one map to the other map, from one level to other level. Before he exam the quiz, he must study from the mini material, and from the results, the implementation stage involves testing the validated product on the research sample. The process of this stage is to determine the effectiveness of the learning media on student cognitive abilities in the basic topic of kinematic or motion, which include linear motion, free fall, vertical motion, projectile motion, and circular motion. From the sample, based on this table, the results of the per sample test show a significant value, and it's indicating a significant difference in student conceptual understanding test score before and after treatment. Thus, it can be concluded that using Hasini Adventure application as a basic learning medium has a positive impact on student understanding of kinematic concept. And from this table, Endgain analysis show an average pre and post-treatment score categorized at moderate. Therefore, it can be concluded that the using Hasini Adventure application as a basic learning media can improve student conceptual understanding in kinematic topic. After we analyze from development and using the Hasini media, we know one of the key findings of the study is the application high visibility and effectiveness as a learning media. The validation results from media and content expert as well as feedback from user indicate that the app meets high standards for usability and pedagogical content. The average score from media expert, content experts, and user respectively highly, and the app's strong potential to serve as an engaging and functional education tool. Research indicate that well-designed game environment can foster deeper learning and retention, aligning with 21st century education trends that emphasize technology in personalized learning experience. For the conclusion, Based on the results of the development research, the researcher concludes several key findings. First, the results utilize the AD development model, which consists of 5 stages: analyze, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The resulting project is a learning media application designs and RPG, role-play game, adventure games, focused on the topic of kinematics or motion. The game includes role-playing mechanics, detailed description of the material, and questions that must be answered to progress through the adventure, making it an interactive learning tool. Second, the study demonstrates that the Hasine Adventure Android application is a feasible tool for use in the learning process. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.